Let's bake s'mores. Let's make s'mores. We need some crackers, chocolate and marshmallows. Crackers and chocolate and marshmallows.
Yeah! Are you excited, guys?
Yeah!
Yeah! Isn't that cool?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Put the cracker on the plate, Milena, with this side, with the white side. With the white side. With the
Okay, flip over.
Flip over. Flip over.
Yeah.
Yeah, place the marshmallow on the top of the cracker. Like this. One. Alright. In the middle. It should be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, marshmallow. Wrap the chocolate bar. Unwrap and wrap and wrap. And let's break the bar of chocolate into smaller pieces. Crack. Place a piece of chocolate on your s'more. Squeeze it.
Please. Yeah.
Let's put them in the oven for 5 minutes. Marshmallows will be hot and puffy. Chocolate is soft and gooey.
Gooey.
And don't want chocolate.
Yeah, Milena doesn't like chocolate, bitter chocolate, yeah? She doesn't like bitter chocolate.
Top the s'more with a cracker and press it down. Like this. Scoop. Wait a couple of seconds and dig it.
Gooey. Say sticky.
Gooey, sticky.
Say crunchy.
Yes. Scrumptious.